In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to join the Anime Warriors Roblox Discord server. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I've got the Discord app opened. Now, if you do prefer to use the web-based version of Discord, then follow along as the steps are the same. So once you've got Discord opened and you're logged in, what you want to do first is come to your server list over here on the left-hand side and just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Next, what you're going to want to do is click onto, you're going to see a button that says add a server with a plus. So go ahead and give that a click. And from this window, if you look towards the bottom, it says have an invite already. Underneath, you've got a button that says join a server. So go ahead and give that a click. Next, in the invite link box, what you want to put is the following, which is discord.gg/. Next, you want to enter the following correctly as shown with capital letters and lowercase. So you want to enter it exactly as I do it, which is ZFX. And then you want to put a capital T. And in lowercase, you want to put SA number 7, and then all in lowercase, you want to put TGV. Once that's done, go ahead and click the blue join server button, and that's going to take you across to the official server. So first, what you want to do is verify your account. So you want to click onto this link here. And to verify your account, this uses BlocksLink. So what you want to do is basically, if you don't have BlocksLink set up, check out my channel because I do have a tutorial on how to set this up. Once that's done, you can verify your account with BlocksLink. And then also you want to click this blue complete section down here just to read through and agree to the server rules, and then click the green submit button. And you'll be able to go ahead, verify with BlocksLink afterwards. And then once that's done, you have access to all the channels and be able to chat as normal. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.